Good day, students. As you can see, we are required to find the value of s and y if 27 to the power of x divided by 81 to the power of s plus 2y is equals to 9 and s plus 4y is equals to 0. So how do you find the values of x and y respectively? The first thing you have to do is to convert the basis of the left hand side of the first equation to base 3, and then the right hand side, which has 9 as a square of 3. So we can do that. From here we have 3 to the base of 3, and 3 raised to the power 3 is 27, multiplying x divided by 3 raised to the power 4 multiplying the given power is equals to, convert it to the square of 3 raised to the power 2. So this is the first thing. The next thing you have to do is to apply the law of indices. Bring this thing up. We have 3 raised to the power 3x minus 4 in bracket s plus 2y is equals to 3 raised to the power 2. The bases are the same, so we equate the powers. So in that case, this implies 3x minus 4 in bracket s plus 2y is equals to 2. If you open bracket, have 3x minus 4x minus 8y is equals to 2. So 3x minus 4x will give us minus x minus 8y is equals to 2. So at this point, we now have to call this, we can call it equation 3, and we know that this is equation 1, this is equation 2. So bring equation 2 equals to 0. I call this equation 2. So add equation 3 and equation 2. Add the two equations. Add equation 3 and then equation 2. If you add the 2, minus s plus x minus s plus s will give us 0. Minus 8y plus 4y will give us minus 4y. 2 plus 0 will give us 2. So divide both sides by minus 4 so that y will be alone. That gives us minus half. So we have that y is equals to minus half. So we have gotten y to be equals to minus half. Then once we have gotten y to be equals to minus half, we can substitute it in the first one, this second equation here. So from here we have x plus 4 in bracket minus half. Wherever you see y, put minus half is equals to 0. So 2 can cancel itself. 4 divided by 2 will give us 2. So plus 2 times minus 1 will give us minus 2, and that is equals to 0. So from here you can see that we can find the value of x. So minus 2 going to the other side, have x equals to 2, and that is values of x and the y. So x is equals to 2 and the y is equals to minus half. So now we have, you see that this equation here, this one, we simplify it until we get to here. Looking at this, I'm only considering this value here is equals to all of this, is it not? So we have to check our answer for external solution. This is the values we got. S equals to 2, and then y equals to minus half. So this is value here. Sorry, 27 to the power of x divided by 81 to the power s plus 2y. This particular value here is equals to 3 to the power of this value here, minus x minus what? 8y. Remember, and then it's equals to 9. So we simplify all of this. As you see, this value here is equals to 3 minus s minus 8y equals to 9. The reason is that we want to check our solution we got for extraneous solution. To confirm that this is actually the right solution. Otherwise, if there is any mistake, that may not be the correct answer. So let us check it for extraneous solution. In order to check for extraneous solution, we substitute the values we got in the original equation. So check having that x is equals to 2 and then y is equals to minus half. So substitute it here in the left hand side. If the result is equals to 9, then our answers are correct. So we have 3 raised to the power minus 2. Wherever you see s, you put 2. Wherever you see y, you put minus half. So solving this, you have 3 minus 2, opening bracket, have minus 8 times minus half, and this is equals to have 3 raised to the power minus 2 minus 8. Minus 2 can divide itself. 8 divided by 2 will give us 4. So minus 4 times minus 1 will give us plus 4. And from here we have 3 minus 2 plus 4 will give us 2. So 3 raised to the power 2 is 9. Is it not? So it is equals to 9. Therefore, since the left hand side is equals to the right hand side, since the left hand side is equals to the right hand side, s is equals to 2, and the what y is equals to minus half. So the next is to check for the second one, the second equation. Although one is okay for us to confirm that this is actually the solution of the exponential equation and the linear equation. So you can check for this one. So when the equation given s plus 4y is equals to 0. So we substitute the values we got. So we have 2 plus 4 minus half. Is it equal to 0? So let's solve for this one. Have 2, 4 can cancel, 2 can divide itself to give us 1. 4 divided by 2 will give us 2. Plus 2 times minus 1 will give us what? Will give us minus 2. So 2 plus 2 minus 2 is equals to 0. So it's equals to 0. So left hand side is equals to right hand side. That means that s is equals to 2 when y is equals to half, minus half. So our answer is correct. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel to encourage me to bring more videos for your views. Like and share others will be aware of this free video I'm giving to you. Click the notification button if this is the first time you are coming to my website, my channel, so that if there is any new update, you will be the first person to receive it. See you in the next free video. Bye for now.